Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. I'm a Nigerian blogger and YouTuber based here in Nigeria. Today's video I am going to be answering your assumptions about me. This is a trend that's been going around YouTube and it has come to Nigerian YouTube, and I thought, girl, let's answer people's assumptions, shall we? So I went on Instagram, went on WhatsApp and Facebook, and I asked people to assume certain things about me, and I'm going to say whether or not it is true. So let's get started. Am I supposed to mention names? I don't know. I think we'll just go with the flow. I don't know. So the first one says you are funny. I don't know. I don't know if I'll consider myself. Let me ask my brother. Damie, he has blocked his ear with earpiece. Am I funny? Do you think I'm a funny person?
I know.
I'm
not a comedian, but you're funny.
Nobody said I'm a comedian now. Okay, so to answer this assumption, maybe I do some things that are funny sometimes. I wouldn't necessarily consider myself funny, but I think I am just a little bit. Not, yeah, I think I'm going to say I'm funny. Yes, just a little bit. Next one says you are approachable and friendly. Maybe friendly when I get to know you. So like I wouldn't say I'm approachable because I have RBF. RBF is resting bitch face. What RBF means, or what it does, is that, you know, when you see me, it looks like I'm annoyed. A lot of people say, oh, you're annoyed, you always look annoyed. I'm not annoyed. My face is just resting. Kanye West has it, Kristen Stewart has it. Like, I'm not annoyed, it's just that my face is straight, my face is resting. So approachable, I wouldn't say so, but friendly, definitely. Maybe you may consider, if you send me messages online, I respond. So yeah, maybe, but I don't think I'm approachable. A lot of people have told me that when they see me, they always think I'm annoyed or I'm fighting with somebody. I don't know, but friendly, yes, I think I am. You are a mommy's pet. From where? I'm not anybody's pet. I'm not mommy's pet. I'm not daddy's pet. If you're looking for a pet of the house, it has to be my baby sister, our last bond. That is the person that they born last. I'm not mommy's pet. I'm not daddy's pet. My mom and I have a close relationship. We're like, you know, really good friends, but I'm not a pet. My baby sister is everybody's pet. She's daddy's pet, she's mommy's pet. She gets away with everything, so I am not my mom's pet. You are full of life, a go-getter. Full of life, I think that's a compliment. Maybe I am full of life. Yes, I'm full of life, you know, like a go-getter. Yeah, I always tend to want to achieve a certain thing, so yes. Life of the party. It depends on the party. You know, if it's an Owambe party, I'm like, you know, we're here to turn up and get everywhere lit and everything. So yeah, I can be the life of an Owambe party, but like say a corporate event, you know, like party for like young people, maybe not. I can be the life of the party, you know. Sometimes I can be shy, but most times, yes, I am the life of the party. That you don't like to disclose much about your private life. Looking at my social media, I think that is a little bit true, in that when my siblings are celebrating their birthday, I don't put out happy birthday messages to them online. Or my dad, I remember there was a time my dad was very vexed that, you know, I didn't put out happy birthday message to him. He's always posting me on Facebook and everything. Just that I like when something is mine, I like to keep it, you know. I like to cover it and chop it alone, kind of. I may do a vlog where you hear voices, like the last vlog. I think I was talking with my sister, my baby sister, but you didn't see her face. And my brother, he won't even show his face at all. He's been in the vlogs before, but now he's like really coded and doesn't like, you know. My sister is very open. She has her own YouTube channel. She's very free. So I think personally for me, I can be a little private with certain things. So I would show you the mood in my vlogs. You know, you hear the voices, you may see some people, but even, yeah, you see my partner on the channel before, just like quarter second. You may see him in the near future, or if we do vlogs together, you probably just hear his voice, see his hand, see his leg, feel that he's in the, you know, feel the ambience, when you may not necessarily see his face. Yes, I am a little private. And yeah, this person says that you love me. You know I love you. You know I love you. The fact that you don't share the same name with my partner, and you're a doctor too, so yes, I gotta love you, girl. You know I love you. You are a troublemaker. Nancy, I'll call your name. This one says that you are a troublemaker. It is not an assumption, it is something I know. So I had to do a poll about this online. I was like, I'm not a troublemaker, you know, I'm easygoing, gentle, calm, cool-headed. And I did a poll on Instagram stories like, do you guys think I'm troublesome? And a lot of people agreed that I'm a troublemaker, including my younger sister, including my friends that I've not seen in like a decade. They're like, Damie, if you've not changed, if you're the same Damie I know, you are still a troublemaker. So I'm not going to deny that fact since a lot of people agree. I asked my mom and for some reason she agrees with this as well. So yeah, I'm not going to deny that fact, Nancy. You are right. Now let's go back to the next one. This one says, you like me. Yes, I like you. You're a very good friend. Ayo, I'm going to call your name. You know I like you. This one says, you love Owambe parties. You know I love Owambe parties. I say this every time, like, girl, I love it. I don't deny. Being able to play dress up, being able to, you know, do my makeup and look like it's a carnival, eat, party, dance to good music. Oh my goodness, yes, I absolutely love Owambe parties, and that is not a lie. If you don't know that about me, then what do you know about me? You have to know I love Owambe parties. You can't drive. I can drive. I don't know why this is even an assumption. Maybe because I take down full buses every now and then. But like, what if you take down full buses and you can drive, but you don't just have a car? Like, did you think about that though? However, yes, I can drive. I have vlogs of me driving. I think one that you see me driving is hunting for Amala. I did drive around a lot. Yeah, I drove from here to my sister's school. Then I went to buy Amala. In that vlog, you see me driving all through. Like, I think I started the vlog in the car. I'm not sure, but I know I drove in that vlog. Another vlog that I also drove in is getting Google AdSense in Nigeria. I can drive. Don't know where you got that from. You like play, but you are serious when you remember you are a firstborn. Yes, I love to play a lot. I love to play a lot, like a lot. Do I take life seriously when I realize that? No, really, no. Let me ask my father. Damie,
Yeah.
Are you listening?
Yeah.
So I'm answering assumptions about me. I told people to send me assumptions. So this person says, you like play, but you get serious when you remember you are a firstborn. Do you think I'm serious for a firstborn?
Yes.
So you have to say no. But like, I'm a cool firstborn now. I'm not that strict on you guys.
You are not strict until you are strict.
So for this question, I had to ask my siblings for help. Yes, I'm playful, and my brother says I'm serious, but what did you say, Seth? I'm strict when I have to be strict. Last one says I am strict when I have to be pushed. I was going to say I'm not a serious firstborn. Like, I'm not. It's not that deep with me, but my siblings disagree. So yes, maybe I take life seriously when I remember I'm a firstborn child, and you know, it's a lot of, you know, you have to set examples. When your siblings don't do well, it's your fault. When they have the same habit, it's because they picked it up from you. So it's a lot of pressure, but hey, okay, so says you don't like 9 to 5. You want my employer to sack me. How can you post that? I like 9 to 5. I love my job with all my heart. Like, it is my dream job. Like, I can't imagine. Actually, I can imagine a better job. But really, no. I really like my job. So don't put that in the picture. Don't cover me. I like 9 to 5 and I like my job. Oh, I got some from my WhatsApp, and the one from my WhatsApp, I'm going to mention name because one of my stubborn colleagues, everybody thinks I'm the stubborn one, but no, I'm not the one. Let me look for his name. I said I was going to keep it. So let me read this, my colleague's assumption. Excuse me. My assumption about you is that you bought 200 naira pop-off and you have not finished eating it. Ahmed, I'm going to call your name. Is that an assumption? Is that an assumption, really? So now that you're assuming, is it that you see me eating 200 naira pop-off since all these days I've not finished eating that? I forgive you. I forgive you. My assumption about you is that you are a cool-headed lady. I think it's a compliment. I'll take it. I'm very patient. I'm very patient with certain things in my life. So yeah, I can be cool-headed. And Rose in my office assumed that I was the accountant of the office when she resumed. I don't even like numbers like that. I narrowly passed to WAEC maths. Like, how will you assume that I'm the office accountant? Anyway, that is everything I got. I hope you got to know me a little bit better. And I hope I've been able to answer all your assumptions about me. I'm not a troublemaker. I'm just somebody that likes to vibe up a particular area. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Let me know down below, even till now, what is something you still think or something that you still assume about me, and I'll answer you in the comment section. I'm very happy that you watched this video. If you've not watched before, if you're coming for the first time, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.